Guarantees and advance deposits. You may want to record credit card information or charge advance deposits for reservations, in case they don't show up or don't call to cancel early enough. In Campground Master, the guarantee status is generally used to indicate that a reservation has either a guarantee, information, or a deposit. To make a guarantee without deposit, start by making a reservation using one of the methods previously covered, or click the guarantee button after the reservation information is entered on the new reservation dialog. The reservation will be saved and the guarantee reservation dialog will appear. You can enter the credit card or any notes you'd like. Click Save, and the reservation will be guaranteed. If you also want to enter deposit, you can click the Enter Deposit button instead of Save. But if you want to do that, there's actually a shorter way. Note that guarantee function is also available directly from the right-click menu in the rack and also from reservation details, as you can see. To enter a deposit and guarantee it at the same time, whenever you make a deposit transaction, the reservation will be guaranteed automatically, unless this is disabled in the program options. So for deposits, you can skip a couple of steps above, like we just mentioned earlier. Make a reservation as before. But after the details are entered, click the Charges and Payments. Make sure to select a pay-through date. I've chosen the 14th. Click OK. Go down to the Deposit button, select a payment type, add the amount of the deposit, click Save, and there you have it in your transactions list. Click Done, and the reservation is guaranteed automatically.